Customer does reel-to-reel electroplating, where they nickel plate brass connectors for medical devices and other industries. The issue the customer was having, they was having plating issues due to poor cleaning. So the brass part was still having the oil on it, which allowed a failure in plating. If plating was bad, their customer was having issues with adhesion to their process. We realized that the chemistry that they were currently using was not penetrating the surface properly to remove the oil from the part. As you can see here, the crimp neck here in these grooves, this geometry of the part was very challenging for their cleaner to clean this. Once you put the part into the system, it goes all the way through. So you can't stop it in the middle and check to see if the cleaning process is right. It has to go through the whole process. Once it goes through the whole process, then you can check for failures. So with the poor cleaning, the customer was having a lot of failures because of this neck part wasn't coming clean. And so for there, switching to our Script Cleaner 3, we were able to get rid of all the oils off the part, and then we were able to test to make sure all this by looking through a microscope to make sure the parts were properly plated. The last thing I heard from the customer that they didn't have any failure rates when they were using our cleaners.